Hey, welcome back. I'm Todd Smith with another video teaching you how to make money and achieve financial freedom with real estate investing. Over the years, I've been blessed to teach tens of thousands of investors from newbies to millionaires, so I know I can help you too. But before we get into today's topic, if you haven't done so already, I just want to remind you to check out my free 90-minute online training class about how to buy houses without cash or credit at realestateCashflowSecrets.com. I'll put that link and maybe some other resources in the description for this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below this video. And for some reason, YouTube made it harder. So after you hit subscribe, you got to hit the bell and then you got to hit all to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the money-making information that I have to share with you, because I do upload videos regularly. Fair enough? All right, let's get started. So in this video, I want to help all you guys out there that are dealing with contractors and answer the question, how much should I pay my contractor to get the job started? So a lot of contractors have this standard thing where they say, I got to have 50% down to start the job and 50% when the job is completed. All right? So I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard that out there, and let me tell you, you do not have to conduct business that way. Now, first of all, most guys that say that, they're used to dealing with homeowners. They're not used to dealing with investors, okay? Now, they'll run it by investors, and they'll try to get that off if they can, but let me tell you, you do not have to agree to that. So they're used to dealing with people that they're going to be one-time customers, John and Mary homeowner, I like to call them, and oftentimes they're going to be in more expensive houses than a lot of the investment properties that you're going to be dealing with. But the value of the house really isn't the important thing. The percentage that they want down is very important. Now, first of all, I'm going to let you know that in my business, I don't give any contractors any money up front, and I don't want you to give contractors money up front. And that's with very few exceptions. I do not give contractors money up front. Now, so how do I handle that? So first of all, what do they need money up front for? Right? They don't need money up front for labor because there's been no work done yet. So that only leaves materials, right? So the easiest way to handle that is, hey, just let me know the materials you need. And the preferable way is, if it's a new contractor that I've never dealt with before, I'm going to want to go with them to actually get the materials. So the easiest way to do with it is for me to pay for the materials directly. So let's say they go to Home Depot or they go to Lowe's, they get the materials together there, and then I can either pay for it over the phone with a credit card, or I can actually go with them to the hardware store to purchase the materials. Okay? So I'm going to see what they're purchasing. If I'm purchasing over the phone, Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever hardware store it is going to have to email me a list so that I can see what's going on, and then we can go from there so that I can see that everything is good to go. But basically, I'm going to have a copy of that material list before I pay for it. Or at the very least, I'm going to talk to them over the phone and find out what is on that list before I pay for this stuff. So that's one way. I'm going to actually go with them to pay for the materials, or I'm going to pay for them over the phone based on a list generated at the hardware store. But bottom line, I'm not going to be giving contractors money up front for labor before the job gets done. All right, so that's what I want you to do. Don't fall for this 50% upfront stuff, this 30% upfront stuff, because what? It's too easy for them to just take your money and run, right? So that's actually, unfortunately, that's a small business in and of itself, right? Contractors just taking deposits from people. They get 50% down from this job, 50% that. They take 50% down from 5 jobs. They can do that in 1, 2, or 3 days and never have to do any work, right? So that puts a lot of money in their pocket for work that they've never done and materials that they've never purchased, and that's just going around making appointments all day. So no, I'm not going to buy into that business model. I'll pay for the materials up front, we'll get some work done, and then I'll pay for some labor, okay? But we're not doing any of this 50% down and then 50% when the job is completed foolishness. All right, so now I know I just saved a lot of you guys for paying for jobs that would never get done, and I know that I just showed you guys how to train your contractors so that they can see up front that they're not going to be able to take advantage of it. So go out and put this into action and make it happen. Hey, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out any additional resources that I might have for you in the description section of this video. If you like this video, then show me some love with a heart on Facebook or a thumbs up on YouTube, and leave a comment below to let me know how the video helped you. If you have any real estate investing questions, go ahead and write those in the comments below, and it just may become the topic of my next video. And if you know anybody else that might benefit from this video, then go ahead and share it. Be sure to check out my upcoming videos, and until next time, may all your parents have rich children, and may all your children have rich parents.